Make a great choice today with the 2014 Lancer. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power mirrors, traction control system, wheel covers, outside temperature gauge, remote trunk release. Inside you'll find Bluetooth, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, cruise control, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows, power steering, cloth upholstery, dual airbags. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.